What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme at the gravel pit, Sunday, midday. Yes, you're seeing right, an ARRMA RC car. This is the one that I call the hybrid. And it's a combination of the classic Typhon 6S with a ARRMA Kraton EXB chassis plate. This one was built as a 4S car. Stop me! Did we make it? Yep, we definitely did. Can't see Jack S. I'm gonna try to stand over here, see if I can get some air time. Yep. Oh. Wonder what happened. Something that locked up. Okay. The CVD jumped out. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.